taking a light bulb from your bathroom. I'm gonna put it outside so we can complete the installation of our lamp. Shit. Where'd that one go?
Right there.
Sweet. Look at that success. I'm okay with it. $5. Let's try it. Hey!
Hey!
Perfect. Oh shit, did you see that?
What?
No, it's fine. I thought it was like being weird. Alright, cool. That was a success. It's still raining.
What's the next plan?
Well, I was hoping it wasn't raining today. I had a lot of stuff to do out here. But we could start loading up your truck for a trip to the dump.
Okay.
Alright, you want to pull, I'll move my Yukon, you can pull your truck up right here. And then we can throw the tarp on it. Or maybe what we'll do is throw all the trash in it, put the tarp on top. That way nothing flies out and it doesn't get all soaked if it rains tonight.
Okay. Good plan. Let's do
Then we
it.
gotta hose out the trash can too.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, let's do it.